Hi everyone, in this video I will be teaching you how to cancel Netflix auto payment. So let's begin. The very first step that I will teach you is to first open your web browser such as your Safari or your Chrome since we cannot use the Netflix app on our phone. So go ahead on that web browser, go to netflix.com and then you should sign in with your account. So once you have signed in with your account, simply click on these three lines right here found on the upper left corner and then click on account right here. So once you have clicked on account, then you should scroll down and look for change billing day. Since Netflix doesn't have the option in which you can cancel the auto payment, then you may just simply change the billing day to whichever you want so that you may adjust your, for example, your payment or etc. And then um, if you really don't want to have an auto payment, then I would suggest to cancel the membership of your Netflix account. So simply click on cancel membership right here, and then that should work. So that's it. That's how you can cancel Netflix auto payment.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.